Welcome guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. And in this video I'll be unboxing Anker's new Soundcore Live Q30 wireless noise cancelling headphones. Anker reached out to me some weeks ago, offering me 30% to get off their new Live Q30 wireless headphones. And I think right now the headphones is going for $79 on Amazon. It just launched and I think it's being shipped out now to everyone who pre-ordered it, and I was lucky enough to get mine early, and here is it. So I'm going to be unboxing this beauty. So the Soundcore Live Q30 wireless noise cancelling headphone is a multi-mode noise cancelling headphone, and according to Anker, it's a hybrid ANC active noise cancellation. And let's see what it gives here. It's a high-res sound. It's going to give you high-res sound quality. It has 2 mics for call quality, 40 hours of playtime, 5 minutes charge will give you 4 hours of playtime, and it also has NFC for fast pairing, and also it has a touch for transparency mode, meaning the Anker claims it's going to have three transparency mode, just almost similar to what Microsoft had with their headphone. It's going to have a transport mode, indoor mode, and outdoor mode. And I'm going to be trying this out and see what it has to offer, and see if the quality is worth the hype. It's really nice. It has this nice premium feel, and as you see here, it has a Soundcore branding on it. Simple and nothing fancy. And let's see what we have here. So we have here the headphone. We have the headphone jack. Also, we have here the USB-C to USB 3 cable for charging the headphone. Some instructions and user manuals and warranty papers again in there. So we have here the on and off button, the charging area, the ANC, the noise cancellation button, and also we have here, so you can see here we have where you can the NFC, where you can tap touch for to pair with your Android or any other device. And here you have the touch for transparency mode for controlling the noise cancellation, and you have the volume button here, the up and down, and you also have the skip all button, and here you also plug your headphone jack cable here. So the foam over on its own feels really nice, soft, looks premium, with the active noise cancellation showing here. So I'm going to be giving it a test and seeing if all the hype and everything matches up with what the headphone can do. So there you have it. You just watched the unboxing of the Anker Soundcore live Q30 headphones, the noise cancelling headphones, and so far I've been using it for the last 24 hours, and so far it's been really good. It's been a nice experience. The sound quality is really good, and it's pretty much kind of, for now, so far so good, lives up to the hype. It goes right now on Amazon, it's going for $79, and I was able to get it at $30 discount because I already initially got in an email from Anker offering me a code to get the 30% discount. But if you're gonna get it on Amazon, it's right now having like a delayed shipping, but I was able to get mine early, and it's going for $79. So to conclude, will I recommend the Soundcore headphone? The Live Q30 is really good, and it looks premium. It has nice build. It's also soft in the head, and I think it's value for the money considering the price and how much you're getting it for. And I can see it's really seals out the noise from outside, and with the way they set it, you can control the level of noise that you want in your to get into your ear. So it's something I would really recommend. So if you're in the market and you want a quality headphone at a less expensive price, I'll recommend it. I've been using it for 24 hours, but sometimes you just hearing something for the first few hours might not probably be the best time to give you verdict. But sound is subjective, but for me, so far so good. It has lived up to all it has had in the branding, leaflets and everything. So if you enjoyed this video, I'll appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, a like, share it, and also subscribe with your friends, families, and anyone you know. Till next time, is peace.